Looking for a cheap but powerful car gadget? Automobile. Today I'm testing this magnetic car phone holder from AliExpress, and honestly, it's crazy for the price. Package. Only 99 cents with 74% off. Let's see if it's actually worth buying. Package unboxing, 0:15 to 0:45. Movie camera, show product box/images. Man laptop computer. Inside the package you get the magnetic holder, metal plate, and adhesive sticker. Magnet. The design is super small and clean, so it doesn't make your dashboard look ugly. Mobile phone. It comes in different colors and works with almost every smartphone. Wrench installation, 0:45 to 120. Movie camera, show dashboard installation. Man laptop computer. Installation is very easy. Backhand index pointing right. First, clean the surface. Backhand index pointing right. Remove the adhesive cover. Backhand index pointing right. Stick the holder on your dashboard, wall, or anywhere you want. Mobile phone. Now place the metal plate inside your phone case. Magnet. White heavy checkmark works with iPhone and Android. White heavy checkmark can be used in car, home, or office. Mobile phone. You can even mount it on walls or desks. Money bag price and deal, $245 to $310. Fire. The best part. The price. Face screaming in fear. It's only 99 cents right now. Chart decreasing. Original price was $3.80, that's 74% OFF. Shopping cart. If you want a cheap but useful gadget, this is honestly a great deal. Loudspeaker outro/CTA, $310 to $335. Man laptop computer. Would I recommend it? Thumbs up. Yes, especially for the price. Mobile phone. It's simple, useful, and makes driving much easier. Backhand index pointing down. Product link is in the description and comments.